If you're unhappy with your beard fullness, thickness, and overall growth, yes, it could be genetics, but nutrition has a bigger impact than you might think. Beards aren't just facial hair. They get attention, respect, and for many of us, become part of our lifestyle. But let's face it, if you have patches or thin spots, it can lead to low confidence and disappointment. Nutrition could be your missing piece to growing a beard you're proud of, and a few simple tweaks to your eating habits could make all the difference. And for those of you that aren't interested in eating healthy, well, I can argue for a lot of reasons why you should beyond just your beard, but we're not gonna get into that today. You can actually get the same or better results without all the green leafy veggies by supplementing vitamins, and I'm gonna cover everything you need to know here in a few. So let's break down all the recommended must-haves for better beard growth. First up, vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect hair follicles from damage and aids in collagen production, which basically strengthens hair. This will especially help as your beard gets longer. It can be found in oranges, strawberries, kiwi, bell peppers, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. Next up, vitamin E. Vitamin E is super important as it supports your beard by improving blood circulation, which essentially helps deliver nutrients to the hair follicles. It's also gonna help promote better skin health, and a good beard starts with good, healthy skin. Foods rich in vitamin E are gonna be almonds, spinach, sweet potatoes, and avocado. All right, let's talk vitamin B6. B6 is crucial for protein metabolism and red blood cell production, both of which are extremely important for hair health and growth. You can get this through chicken, turkey, salmon, bananas, potatoes, and chickpeas. All right, next up, the oh so powerful biotin. If you did nothing but increase your biotin, guys, you'd see results in your beard growth. Biotin is often referred to as the hair vitamin, and it supports keratin production, which makes your hair grow faster and stronger. You can get biotin naturally through eggs, almonds, sweet potatoes, spinach, and broccoli. By now, you've probably noticed a few trends here. Lean proteins are critical for beard growth as your hair is actually made up of protein, and it needs this fuel source to grow. And dark leafy greens, well, they're packed with vitamins known to help beard growth. And we've been told to eat these things since we were little kids. Actually, being honest, my wife sometimes still gives me a hard time for not finishing my veggies, even now. I don't know, I just not a veggie guy, sorry guys. But we know we need to eat these things and have a balanced diet to introduce different healthy bacteria and nutrition into our bodies for many different reasons. But let's be real here, guys. Eating kale salads and broccoli every day isn't exactly mouthwatering. And to get a full dose of some of those vitamins, you need to eat a bowl of spinach the size of your dining room table. And this is why most guys actually choose to supplement when it comes to better nutrition for their bodies and overall health, and why you should consider doing the same for your beard. Beard Boost is a powerhouse blend of vitamin C, E, B6, biotin, calcium, zinc, Opti-MSM, silica, collagen, and more. We worked alongside top chemists to custom formulate the perfect blend of each of these nutrients to maximize results without overconsumption. And it's helped thousands of guys just like you grow a beard they're proud of. And so what I love about Beard Boost is it makes it so easy to stay on track. With a simple daily supplement, you can ensure your beard is getting all the nutrients it needs without the hassle of meal planning and prep. And let's not forget, it's way easier to swallow a pill than to stomach another kale smoothie. Ugh. But what's also so great about Beard Boost is that it's so much more than just a beard growth supplement. I actually personally take it as my daily multivitamin. The vitamins in Beard Boost have been studied to show to help aid in immune support, skin health, brain health, cardiovascular health, eye health, and more. I'm not telling you to simply take Beard Boost and not eat healthy. That's not what I want you guys to do. You absolutely should for your health and longevity. But what I am telling you to do is to let Beard Boost do the heavy lifting for your beard growth. So if you happen to enjoy a pizza or burger from time to time, which I absolutely do and encourage, your body and your beard are not gonna miss out on the nutrients that they need. So if you're ready to level up your beard growth, try Beard Boost today. It's backed by our money back guarantee. And if you aren't impressed with your new beard growth, we'll refund your purchase, no questions asked. If Beard Boost doesn't sound like it's for you, I totally get it, no problem. Try modifying your diet for 30 days or longer, and then just see how your nutrition may be holding you back from the beard that you want. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. That's all I have for you today. I hope you found this video helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions about Beard Boost, beard nutrition, beard growth, beard tips and tricks, products, literally anything at all, or not beard related. You can hit us up anytime at support@livebearded.com, and we're happy to help. Thanks for watching, and as always, live bearded.